Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a bar chart by using GraphPad Prism. I will demonstrate how to plot average values and standard deviation on a bar chart as well as adding data labels. Bar chart show average or mean values of each group. First of all, I will calculate average value of each group. So first of all, I will write formula of average. Select column for group 1. Select column for group 1. In the same way, I will calculate average for group 2. For group 3, here you can see the average of each group. So after that, I will copy data, Control C, and put into GraphPad Prism. I will paste data by using key like Control V. So first of all, I change name of file, rename like bar chart. After that, I will click on new graph. I will select column because I am making bar chart. Here is available different design of bar chart. I will click on first, click on OK. I want to change some setting of bar chart. First of all, I will change X title. After that, I will change Y title. I want to change design of X axis. I will click on X axis. Here I want to change location of numbering and label. First of all, I will try horizontal. Click on apply. It's not better. So after that, I will select vertical. Click on apply. Click on OK. Group 1 represents mean 30.33 and group 2 represents mean of 20.11 and group 3 represents mean 26. So dashed line represents the standard deviation for each group like group 1, group 2 and group 3. I want to change color of bars. Change color of each bar. So double click on bar. I want to change fill color like red. Apply and OK. Like blue, apply and OK. Like green, apply and OK. Now graph is ready. I will provide graph and data in description box. If you have any question, let me know in comment box. Thank you for watching my video.